like kid in a candy store. This is one of the best demonstration. How does it work? It's pretty much one big gutter.
One big gutter on the bottom side of your deck.
Gutter that slopes into a real gutter.
Gutter into a gutter, exactly. That's exactly what it is. Yeah, all our metal that we're buying today is domestic, and I can snap a new panel in and pop right back in. And so I can get that same clean look in line.
You don't see screws. You don't see anything from installation, honestly. What's up, guys? I'm in Grand Rapids. Come on here. What's up, guys? I'm in Grand Rapids, Michigan, visiting a company called Quality Edge. They're a pretty big manufacturer behind us. We cannot really film there, but they have very cool showroom. And every time I visit manufacturers, I'm looking for one or two very unique products. And I'm about to show you the product I'm very impressed with. Everything from its name to presentation. I think it's a great addition to any exterior contractor. Let me show you. I mean, look at all of this. I'm like kid in a candy store. What's up, my man?
Dimitri.
So, guys, check it out. First of all, if you have a name like this, Inside Out, there's a movie Inside Out, right?
What question thing?
That right there.
Where?
I think it's kids' movie. I love it. But look at this presentation. Look, so this is under the deck product. You want to show me what it is? And let's start with this piece, because this is one of the best demonstration. How does it work?
So Dimitri, Inside Out is a way to add usable living space to a house that maybe has already been redone, but they haven't put time or effort or resources into finishing the underside of their deck. And what's cool about it is it's a panel system used to just channel water away from the home and moves it right to a gutter. And with Inside Out, unique part about it is there's no holes that you actually drill through the panel.
So it looks cool.
So it fits really nice. You can get a really clean look. What's cool about it is it's a carrier system, and the panels just snap right into the carriers. We've got, it's few products. We've got channels. We've got a G channel and a side cap that would function just like you would have in siding, but everything else slopes down to the gutter. And so when you're installing it, you got four major pieces. You got your panel, a carrier, and then your channels. And so
it's pretty much one big gutter.
One big gutter on the bottom side of your deck.
Gutter that slopes into a real gutter.
Gutter into a gutter, exactly. That's exactly what it is.
Here we have finished project, beautiful property. You can kind of see how nice it looks, how it finishes the look and the feel of exterior of the house. This homeowner have nice tile on the ground. And I mean, look at this. You have a gutter. This is how it's all completes together. So you don't see screws. You don't see anything from installation, honestly. This is so clean, and it does the job. It drains everything, so you don't have drips. I mean, like, now it's livable. So if you're looking for installers, we're gonna highly recommend Quality Edge products. We have big network of contractors through directory and Roofing Insights. Comment below if you're interested. If you have any questions, someone from Quality Edge will answer that, or myself. And if you're looking for qualified installer to install it at your property or get a few estimates, check out directory.com. I would love personally to hook you up with the best of the best, and I will guarantee the recommendation with a $20,000 guarantee by us. Comment below if you have any questions, or what do you think about this product?
So what's cool is we've got a variety of wood grain colors. So if you wanted to,
how many colors we're talking about?
Oh man, I think it's eight colors. So we've got a variety of wood grains and a variety of just painted colors. If you just wanted to do a white underside of your deck, a lot of colleges and commercial universities are doing it, but a lot of homes are also stepping into the space. And what's cool is I can get a rain-proof product that's going to hold the water and slope it all the way. I have no open seams from start to finish of every panel. And so it's all going to slope into your gutter.
Because is it aluminum or is it?
Yeah, so it's an 024 aluminum, so it's a little thicker aluminum panel that's all snapped into a carrier. And then you're just building a little bit of slope so that if pine needles do fall through, it's all going to wash pine needles right into the gutter and out. And so
is it loud? Can you hear a water dripping in it?
You can hear a little bit of water dripping in it if it's there, but it's not that loud because it's really going to hit your deck. You'll hear it hitting the deck more than you would the panel, but you do hear a little bit of it coming through. Yep. Kind of like a tin roof on a rainy day.
Got it. And you have, well, here, sprinklers because it's inside, obviously.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you can cut holes for
Yeah, so
lights.
when guys are installing like a lot of things that happen, like fans or lighting underneath, and what they'll do is they'll kind of install like a pan over top to let water flow on the other side of the panels. But it's a really easy install from that standpoint. We've got a system to just move water away from the panel.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
How to buy it? Was the ordering process suppliers directly from Quality Edge? Or?
Yeah, yep. So we'll have people listed on the site. So if you're qualityedge.com, you can go there, find us, just search Inside Out. We also have distribution throughout the country. So we've got a lot of distributors that have partnered in with us, either stocking.
Do you sell directly to the contractors?
Or we're not going to direct. Nope, not at the moment.
So it has to go through?
Yep, so it's all kind of through distribution. But we have some big key distributors that are set up as stocking dealers, and those are the ones that are really helping us drive forward. Yeah.
What's the lead time for something like this? If I want this color right now, am I waiting 2 weeks, 2 months?
You know, it depends on the day. We're obviously in a weird environment right now as we're chewing through some of the backlog. But you know, it's on average we're about 8 weeks out right now.
8 weeks.
And so as we're moving through, don't timestamp me on it because it's changing a little bit each day. But we're chewing through backlog. Yep. So QE's been a 3-day lead time company for a long time. We're obviously constrained with metal at the moment, but yep.
Love it. And you produce everything here in Grand Rapids, Michigan?
Yeah, all our metal that we're buying today is domestic. A lot of aluminum. We've been very intentional about staying here, and as we're building back in, everything that we manufacture is going to be done here in Grand Rapids. Paint lines are throughout Michigan or throughout the U.S. So we got paint lines kind of strategic partnerships with paint lines to get the wood grains done, and then painting our colors is done somewhere else too. But everything's done here in America. Yep.
How do you repair it? If you need to, is it possible to remove one of the panels from the
absolutely.
middle?
So if let's just say a kid has a strong foot, ready for the MLS, kicks a soccer ball up and dents one, you could take your siding tool and actually just go right through. So if we're popping up a panel, I can actually just pop one out. So if I've got my siding tool and I'm just ripping through, I can go and I'm just popping out where the carriers are, and I can snap a new panel in and pop right back in. And so I can get that same clean look and line. And because it's out of the sun, we're not worried about UV reflection, and it's not going to fade anyway.
It's not going to fade.
So it's going to be still give you that solid wood look. Yep.
Wow, love it. Guys, comment below what you think. If maybe you're already using it, like your feedback, and if you would consider to install it to offer it to your homeowners. Good stuff.